Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject general science. In general science we will study the next part of chapter 6, composition of matter. Molecular formulae. Molecular formulae of various compounds formed by hydrogen with other elements are given in the following table. From that, deduce the valencies of the concerned elements. See this table. In first column, serial number. In second column, molecular formula of a compound. In third column, constituent elements. In fourth column, valency of hydrogen. In fifth column, number of bonds formed by X with H. And sixth column, valency of X element. First example, hydrochloric acid means HCl. Here is a hydrogen and that this element is Cl. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by the Cl with hydrogen is 1. Valency of Cl is 1. Second example, molecule of water H2. Here hydrogen, here element is oxygen. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bond formed by oxygen with hydrogen 2 and valency of oxygen is 2. Third example here, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Here hydrogen, another element here sulfur. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by sulfur with hydrogen 2 and valency of sulfur is 2. NH3. Here is a hydrogen, here is a nitrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by nitrogen with hydrogen are 3 and valency of this nitrogen is 3. Next example, HBr. Here is EH, here is a bromine. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by this bromine with hydrogen is 1. Valency of bromine is 1. Then HI means hydrogen. Here element iodine. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by iodine with hydrogen is 1 and valency of iodine is 1 in AH. Here H means hydrogen, here sodium Na. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by sodium with hydrogen is 1 and valency of sodium is 1. Next example, CH4. Here carbon and hydrogen. Here hydrogen, here carbon. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of bonds formed by carbon with hydrogen are 4 and valency of carbon is 4. Cross multiplication method for writing the molecular formula of simple compounds. Step 1. To write the symbols of constituent elements. Here these are symbols of constituent elements, here as carbon and oxygen. Step 2. To write the valency of below the respective element. Here 4 is the valency of carbon and 2 is valency of oxygen. Step 3. To cross multiply to obtain the number of atom of a constituent elements in the molecular of the compound. Here C cross multiplication with this 2 and O cross multiplication with 4. Step 4. To write the formula of the compound obtained by cross multiplication, C2 and O4. Here C2 and O4. C2O4. Step 5. To write the final molecular formula of the compound, the number of constituent atoms in the final molecular formula should be the smallest possible whole numbers. For getting this, divide the formula obtain the step 4 by suitable number. Formula obtained by cross multiplication C2O4. Final molecular formula obtained by dividing by 2. Therefore, CO2 is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Pairs of elements and their valencies are given in the following table. Use them logically to deduce the molecular formula of the compound formed from the pairs and write them in the last column. See this table. Here is element, second column valency, in third column molecular formula of the corresponding compound. Here first element is carbon, second is hydrogen. Valency of carbon is 4 and valency of hydrogen is 1, and therefore molecular formula for CH4, this compound is a CH4. Here element is nitrogen and hydrogen. Valency of nitrogen is 3 and valency of hydrogen is 1, and therefore molecular formula is NH3. Here is a ferrous and here is the sulfur. Here valency of ferrous is 2 and valency of sulfur is 2, and therefore molecular formula is FeS. Here is a carbon and here is oxygen. Valency of carbon is 4 and valency of oxygen is 2, and therefore molecular formula is CO2. Thanks for watching this video.